Is mounting a TV on the wall safe? Alright, today we're gonna look into this problem faced by many people. The very first thing you should do is to know your TV weight. Alright, different TV sizes have different weights, so make sure you know your TV weight and then get your TV mount which can hold your TV weight. Alright, get to know about the capacity of your TV mount next. Find the metal studs on your drywall with a stud finder. This is a zircon stud finder, and then make 4 clean holes onto the metal stud. Make sure you don't pierce through both the sides of the metal stud, just one side of the metal stud. Make sure the holes are clean, about half an inch in size. Okay, next, use these elephant anchors. Okay, elephant anchors to make sure that you are able to screw. After that, you just place your TV mount and then screw it in the TV mount. Okay, you have different types of TV mounts. First, the tilt one, and then the full motion. You also have the fixed type, and make sure you don't do errors like this. This error is made by me. If you find it really difficult, you should seek for a professional to mount your TV onto your wall. Alright, so with a good TV mounted on a wall, it's definitely safe to watch TV. Enjoy, guys!